Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
MashaAllah. Your brother has come? Youngest? Yeah? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. What's his name? Assalamu alaikum. One person is missing, huh? Is it Aisha? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum.
Huzur may speak about this too in the Friday sermon, but if Huzur would like to say something here today.
Some comments on the tour?
Yes, please.
Many a comment I have already made during my sermons there, and some I'll make during the coming sermon of Friday. But one thing I must tell here the people of Liqa al-Arab, that I was amazed to discover in America how many Arabs watched Liqa al-Arab program. I could never imagine that this program had become so popular in Arab countries. People at the airport, people looked at me and said, look, we have seen him in the Liqa. And they kept telling our Kafla members, amazingly, it was such a great number, they couldn't keep even count. Every Arab which passed by said, yes, we know him. We watch him regularly in Liqa al-Arab. So that is, congratulations to you and to all of you for participating in this program, which is becoming widely popular in the world. Had I not gone to America this time, I could never have imagined how popular it had become. And they were all, they all of them mentioned with great respect, this Liqa al-Arab. And it was evident that they were deeply impressed. So I hope, inshallah, some revolution is being brought about quietly in the Arab world about Ahmadiyyah. Please. Does your brother also watch Liqa al-Arab there? Yeah? MashaAllah. And next.